Ready? Okay, so today we're gonna learn how to make a margarita. The first thing that you wanna do is prepare your glass. So you're gonna take your glass, you're going to give it a salted rim. So in order to get a salted rim, you're gonna need a container that has lime juice, and then you're gonna need a container that has salt. Of course, salt works better. So you're gonna take your glass, you're gonna dip it upside down in the lime juice, then you're gonna dip it upside down in the salt, back upright. So now you have a glass with a salted rim. Then you're gonna go ahead and add ice to your glass from an ice dispenser or a scoop. And then you're gonna leave your glass until you're ready to add your ingredients. So about those ingredients, we have something called a shaker that we wanna use, important vocabulary. So in the shaker, you're going to add a few things that you want to make up the margarita. So the first ingredient is 1.5 ounce of tequila. I'd recommend a gold tequila. So then for measuring, you would want to use something called a jigger. So that typically looks something like this, like an hourglass, and it'll have the measurements on the jigger. So you can actually read that it's 1.5 ounces, fill it up with tequila, pour that into your shaker. So then we have 3/4 ounces of triple sec. Then you're gonna also add 2 ounces of what they call sweet and sour. You're looking for something with a yellowish color. So then you add these 3 things into the shaker. You're also going to add ice into the shaker. Then you're gonna cap it either using the shaker lid, or if it doesn't come with one, you can actually use another shaker. Once you do that, you're gonna shake, 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 mixing all these ingredients together. Then you're going to use a strainer. So you're gonna remove whatever lid or other shaker you used, put the strainer on instead, and then flip it over the ice glass that you've already prepared, and then only the liquid mixture will come out into the drink. Fill it up, and then of course the best part, enjoy.